So yesterday I made a video about not understanding why high school and middle school boys are constantly touching each other.
Here, let me help. Let me help you figure it out. Okay. So, middle school and high school boys touch each other or engage in physical contact, which is what I'm going to say, with each other for a few reasons. First and foremost, they lack impulse control. They lack impulse control. We know that based upon how the brain develops, the part of their brain that controls impulses is not fully developed yet. So, one of the skills that they're working on while they are in middle and high school is impulse control. The next reason being the developmental need, the developmental need for physical boundary testing. So they're at an age where their bodies are changing and shifting, their classmates' bodies are changing and shifting, and they want to test boundaries, physical boundaries, to see what is appropriate and inappropriate. Also, a skill that they work on while they are at school. Another reason could be they're neurodivergent or have ADHD, right? Diagnosed or undiagnosed. Now, we as the educators, it is our job to help them develop those skills. And if we ever have questions about why our students are doing something, Google, I would start with Google. Before I came to TikTok, I would start with Google. Why are my middle school and high school boys touching each other? They're going to point you to an article, some evidence-based research. Then you could go to the library and you could check out a book about brain development, about child development, and find out what is appropriate development for boys in middle school. Because then you're going to have to be shocked that it got weird in the comments on this app. But what did you expect to happen when you said middle school boys won't stop touching each other? It sounds weird, so it's gonna get weird. My best advice, look it up, read a book, but don't bring it to TikTok. Okay? Bye.